After the age of 60, many people begin to notice changes that seem to come out of nowhere. The skin no longer looks as firm as it once did. The face may appear thinner, drier, or more fragile. The knees and shoulders may feel stiffer in the morning. Recovery after physical effort may take longer. Even simple movements can start to feel less smooth than before. And because these changes happen slowly, many people accept them without ever asking what is really happening inside the body. But here is the truth. One of the hidden reasons behind many of these changes is the gradual loss of collagen. Collagen is one of the main structural proteins in the human body. It helps support the skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, and connective tissues that hold the body together. As we age, natural collagen production declines, and that decline becomes more noticeable over time, especially after 60. Now here is the surprising part. There is one plant that has received attention for its possible ability to support the body's collagen-related processes in a natural way. Aloe Vera. Most people know aloe vera as something used on the skin after a burn or irritation. But research suggests that aloe vera may do more than soothe the surface. Certain components of aloe vera have been studied for their effects on fibroblasts, skin elasticity, hydration, and collagen-related activity. In this video, you will discover why collagen matters so much after 60, why the body begins to lose it more quickly, how aloe vera may help support healthier skin and connective tissue, what role nutrition still plays in the process, and the important mistakes and warnings that every older adult should understand before using aloe vera regularly. Stay with me until the end, because this is not just about looking younger. It is about helping the body stay stronger, more resilient, and better supported from the inside out. The collagen. They immediately think about beauty, wrinkles, or skin creams. But collagen is much more important than that. Collagen is like the body's internal framework. It gives structure to the skin, helps connective tissue stay strong, supports cartilage and tendons, and contributes to the integrity of bones, blood vessels, and even the lining of certain tissues. In simple terms, collagen helps the body stay firm, connected, and resilient. That is why collagen loss is not just a cosmetic issue. When collagen begins to decline, the effects may show up in more than one place. The skin may become thinner and less elastic. Fine lines may deepen faster. Joints may feel less comfortable. Tendons and ligaments may feel less forgiving. Healing may seem slower. What many people call normal aging is often partly the visible result of structural proteins being produced less efficiently than before. Think of collagen like the ropes and beams that support a house. If the structure is strong, the house remains stable. But if the beams weaken little by little, the outside begins to show the damage. The same thing can happen in the body. The outer signs may appear first in the skin, but the deeper story often involves connective tissue health as a whole. This is why supporting collagen after 60 is such an important conversation. It is not about fighting age with fantasy. It is about understanding the biology of aging and giving the body the support it needs to repair, rebuild, and maintain itself more effectively. Topic 2. Why collagen production falls. As we get older, the body is constantly renewing itself. But it does not do that work with the same speed forever. One major reason collagen declines with age is that the cells involved in making it become less active over time. These cells, called fibroblasts, are responsible for helping produce components that keep skin and connective tissue strong. As aging progresses, fibroblast function tends to slow down, which means collagen production can also slow down. Another important factor is oxidative stress. This happens when harmful, unstable molecules, often called free radicals, begin to create more damage than the body can comfortably manage. Over time, oxidative stress can affect cells, proteins, and tissues, including those involved in healthy aging. This is one reason antioxidant-rich foods and supportive plant compounds are discussed so often in nutrition and longevity conversations. Inflammation also plays a role. The body may experience more low-grade inflammation, especially when sleep is poor, diet quality is low, movement is limited, or chronic health issues are present. This can create an environment where tissue repair is less efficient. The body is still trying to maintain itself, but it is working uphill. And there is one more hidden issue. Many older adults do not consume enough of the nutrients required to actually build collagen. The body needs amino acids from protein, vitamin C, and minerals such as zinc and copper to support collagen formation and tissue repair. If these raw materials are missing, collagen production becomes much harder, no matter how many products are used externally. So when someone says, "My skin is changing, my joints feel weaker, and I feel like my body's not bouncing back like before," that is not just imagination. In many cases, it reflects real biological changes taking place under the surface. Why aloe vera is getting attention. In the collagen conversation, aloe vera has been used traditionally for a long time, especially for skin comfort. But modern interest in this plant goes deeper than tradition alone. Researchers have studied aloe vera for its effects on skin healing, hydration, wrinkles, and tissue support. Some findings suggest that aloe vera compounds may stimulate fibroblast activity and support collagen-related processes, especially in the skin. One clinical study found that oral aloe gel supplementation improved facial wrinkles and elasticity in photoaged skin, while also showing increased collagen production in photoprotected skin and reduced expression of MMP1, a gene involved in collagen breakdown. That is important because healthy aging is not only about producing more collagen, it is also about reducing the forces that break collagen down too quickly. Another study involving aloe sterols reported improvements in wrinkles and suggested stimulation of collagen and hyaluronic acid production by human dermal fibroblasts. A later study also reported that low-dose aloe sterol supplementation improved skin moisture and supported dermal collagen production. These findings do not mean aloe vera is a miracle cure, but they do suggest that this plant may help create a more supportive environment for skin and tissue health. In simple language, aloe vera may help the body's repair team work under better conditions. Imagine trying to repair a wall with poor tools, no water, and weak materials. The work becomes slow and uneven. Now imagine improving the environment, bringing better tools, and reducing the obstacles. The repair process is still gradual, but it becomes more efficient. That is a useful way to think about how supportive plants may work in the body. There is also research reviewing aloe vera's role in wound healing and skin repair. This matters because wound healing is closely connected to fibroblast activity, collagen deposition, hydration, and controlled inflammation. These are the same broader mechanisms that influence how aging tissue recovers and maintains itself. That is why aloe vera is no longer seen only as a household burn remedy. It is becoming part of a larger conversation about tissue support, healthy aging, and natural strategies that may complement a good lifestyle. How aloe vera may help the skin, joints, and connective tissues indirectly let us make something very clear. Aloe vera does not replace the body's natural biology. It supports it. That distinction matters. One possible benefit of aloe vera is hydration support, especially at the skin level. Aging skin often becomes drier and less elastic. When skin loses moisture and barrier strength, it may look older and feel more fragile. Studies on aloe sterol and aloe gel have suggested improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and wrinkle appearance, which may be linked to collagen support and better barrier function. A second possible benefit is support for fibroblasts, the cells that participate in tissue repair and collagen production. If fibroblasts function better, the body has a greater chance of maintaining stronger skin architecture over time. Several reviews and studies discuss aloe vera's stimulatory effects on fibroblasts and its relationship with collagen and elastin fibers. A third possible benefit is that aloe vera may help reduce excessive tissue stress through antioxidant and soothing properties. While aloe vera should not be presented as a cure-all, a body under less oxidative stress and less irritation often has a better chance to preserve its structural proteins. This is especially relevant after 60, when the margin for recovery can be smaller than it was in younger years. Now, what about joints? Aloe vera is not a replacement for medical care. physical therapy, movement, or proper nutrition. But if a plant helps support tissue quality, hydration, and the general repair environment, it may still have indirect value in an overall healthy aging routine. Connective tissue health is never about one isolated part of the body. Skin, tendons, fascia, ligaments, and tissue resilience all depend on similar building and maintenance processes. And that leads us to one of the biggest truths of this video. Even if aloe vera is helpful, it cannot build collagen by itself. Says. Topic 5. The body still needs the raw materials to make collagen. This is the part many people miss. They hear about one promising plant, one special powder, or one miracle ingredient, and they expect all the work to be done by that single thing. But collagen is made by the body, and the body needs materials to build it. First, it needs protein. Collagen is a protein, and proteins are built from amino acids. If someone is not eating enough protein overall, the body may struggle to maintain muscle, repair tissues, and support collagen-related processes efficiently. Harvard notes that several high-protein foods provide amino acids believed to nurture collagen production, including fish, poultry, meat, eggs, dairy, legumes, and soy. Second, the body needs vitamin C. This nutrient is not optional in collagen formation. Vitamin C plays a direct role in making collagen and supporting wound healing. Without enough vitamin C, the body cannot carry out collagen synthesis effectively. This is one reason fruits and vegetables such as citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, bell peppers, and leafy greens are so important. Third, the body needs zinc and other supportive minerals. Zinc is important for building proteins, growing cells, and healing tissue. Harvard also notes that collagen production requires nutrients like zinc, while antioxidants such as vitamins and minerals help support the body against oxidative stress. So the smartest way to use aloe vera is not to treat it like magic. It should be part of a broader strategy. That strategy includes enough protein, plenty of colorful plant foods, hydration, physical activity, sleep, and daily habits that reduce unnecessary inflammation and stress on the body. Think about it this way. Aloe vera may help the workers, but your meals provide the bricks, cement, and tools. If the materials are missing, the repair job will always be limited. For older adults, this is actually empowering. It means there is not just one answer. There are several natural supports that can work together. Practical ways to use aloe vera wisely after 60. Now let us talk about practical use, because this is where many people become confused. Aloe vera is commonly used in two ways, topically and orally. Topical use means applying aloe vera gel to the skin. Oral use means consuming a food-grade aloe product made for internal use. These are not the same thing, and they should never be treated as interchangeable. Topical use is the more familiar option. Aloe gel is often used on the skin because it is generally well tolerated and may help soothe, hydrate, and support skin comfort. For someone over 60, topical use may fit naturally into an evening skin routine. A small amount of a good quality aloe gel can be applied to clean skin, especially to areas that tend to feel dry or delicate. The goal is not heavy layering. The goal is consistency and skin support over time. Oral use requires more care. According to NCCIH, research suggests that short-term use of oral aloe gel up to 42 days is safe, but oral aloe latex can cause abdominal pain, cramps, and diarrhea. NCCIH also notes that oral consumption of aloe leaf extracts has been linked to cases of acute hepatitis. That is why quality matters so much. Not every aloe product is meant to be swallowed, and not every label is equally trustworthy. For older adults, this warning becomes even more important. After 60, people are more likely to take medications, have digestive sensitivity, or deal with kidney, liver, or metabolic issues. A product that looks natural on the bottle can still cause real problems if it is the wrong preparation or used carelessly. Reviews have also described adverse effects such as cramping, diarrhea, skin irritation, and allergic reactions in some individuals. A sensible approach is simple. If someone wants aloe vera for collagen support, topical use is generally the easier place to start. If internal use is being considered, it should be limited to properly prepared food-grade products and ideally discussed with a qualified health professional first, especially for anyone taking medications or managing chronic conditions. Natural health works best when it respects the body, not when it rushes it. The biggest mistakes people make when trying to support collagen naturally. The first mistake is thinking one plant can fix everything. Aloe vera may help, but it cannot compensate for a poor diet, low protein intake, low vitamin C intake, dehydration, chronic sleep deprivation, or a sedentary lifestyle. Healthy aging is built through repeated habits, not one hero ingredient. The second mistake is assuming more is better. Some people believe that if a little aloe vera sounds helpful, then a lot must be even better. But that is not how the body works. Overuse, especially of the wrong form, can irritate the digestive system or create other unwanted effects. Natural products still need wise use. The third mistake is ignoring the label. There is a major difference between purified aloe gel and aloe latex or leaf extract. The wrong type of aloe can be too harsh internally. This is one of the biggest reasons people have bad experiences with aloe products. The fourth mistake is expecting instant results. Collagen support is not like flipping a switch. Skin renewal takes time. Tissue support takes time. The body responds gradually. In research, visible changes in skin hydration, elasticity, or wrinkles were observed over weeks, not overnight. And the fifth mistake may be the most common of all. Focusing only on appearance. Yes, many people want better-looking skin. But the deeper goal should be stronger tissue support, better hydration, healthier aging, and a body that functions more comfortably for longer. When that is the focus, the strategy becomes wiser and more sustainable. So what is the real takeaway from this video? After 60, collagen matters more than most people realize. It helps hold the body together. It supports the skin, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, and connective tissues that contribute to strength, mobility, and resilience. But with age, collagen production naturally slows down, while oxidative stress, poor diet, and tissue wear can make the decline even more noticeable. Aloe vera is getting attention because research suggests it may support fibroblast activity, skin hydration, elasticity, and collagen-related processes. Some studies found improvements in wrinkles, dermal moisture, and markers linked to collagen support. That does not make aloe vera a miracle, but it does make it a very interesting plant in the conversation about healthy aging. Still, aloe vera works best as part of a bigger picture. The body must also receive protein, vitamin C, zinc, and other nutrients needed to build and maintain collagen. And if aloe vera is used internally, it must be used with caution, because some aloe products can cause digestive issues or other side effects, especially in older adults or those taking medication. The truth is, aging is not only about what the years take away, it is also about what daily habits continue to protect. And sometimes, one plant can become powerful, not because it does everything, but because it supports the body while you do the other things right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone over 60 who wants to support their skin, joints, and healthy aging naturally. And now I want to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever used aloe vera before? And would you try it as part of your healthy aging routine after 60?